Pak 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 pak.
Papa, you can feed them. I try. Feed her, look. You're so cute. So cute. Hello. बोल सकते?
हाथ आगे कर, ऊपर का हाथ बड़ी सॉफ्टली आना उन्हें. Say hi.
पापा तू कैसे softly आ जाना?
You go close, na? You go. Put your hand close it.
अड्डा मारे.
Sure. It's just a parrot.
You do. I'm good. Oh, the.
See how softly they come. And then let them eat. Hi.
Papa, duck आ गया बाहर. Papa, duck किधर? Hey, tell your friend to go back inside the closure. We don't want it to get here. India too, yeah.
पता नहीं की है, भजदे बड़े है.
We don't need to feed them. They already have enough.